Welcome back. Today we're going to learn 12 new Tagalog words for pets. You're going to learn the Tagalog for dog, cat, and 10 other Tagalog words for pets. When you watch this video from beginning to end, you should be able to impress your Filipino friends, neighbors, coworkers, or your potential Filipino partner when they ask you what pet do you have and you reply to them in Tagalog. Now, before we begin, please don't forget to like this video if you find this valuable, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, please comment in the comment section below if you have any suggestions, feedback, or if there's a particular set of Tagalog words that you would like to learn first. For instance, from the last video, I received a comment from user Bowdow2620 and he requested that I include short, simple sentences after each word. Now, in this video and in other videos moving forward, I will incorporate a short, simple sentence after the words, just as user Bowdow2620 requested. You're going to learn 12 new Tagalog words for pets, and you can add that to your ever-growing Tagalog vocabulary. Let's begin. Dog. Aso. 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 I have a pet dog. Meron akong alagang aso. Cat. Pusa. 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 I have a pet cat. May alaga akong pusa. Mouse. Daga. 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 I have a pet mouse. May alaga akong daga. Fish. Isda. 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 I have a pet fish. May alaga akong isda. Bird. Ibon. 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 I have a pet bird. May alaga akong ibon. Monkey. Unggoy. 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 I have a pet monkey. May alaga akong unggoy. Rabbit. Kuneho. 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 I have a pet rabbit. May alaga akong kuneho. Chicken. Manok. 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 I have a pet chicken. May alaga akong manok. Pig. Baboy. 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 I have a pet pig. May alaga akong baboy. Duck. Pato. 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 I have a pet duck. May alaga akong pato. Iguana. Bayawak. 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 I have a pet iguana. May alaga akong bayawak. Spider. Gagamba. 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 I have a pet spider. May alaga akong Gagamba. There you have it, 12 new Tagalog words for pets. You can just go on and repeat that lesson over and over. I suggest you watch it and listen to it at least 10 times, and you'll be on your way to being fluent in Tagalog. Now, don't forget, practice makes progress, and repetition is key. See you in the next video. Salamat!